Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am so excited to share with you all this carrot stew that I came across. I heard that whoever that came up with this recipe came up with it when fresh tomatoes were really costly in Nigeria, and ever since then it has been one of the best stews you can make. So to make this carrot stew, you will need some carrots, of course, and with me here I have 8 peeled carrots, 2 red bell peppers, 2 green chili peppers, habanero peppers, and 1 onion. You will also need some sliced onion, and I have 1 there, some goat meat, but you can use any meat of your choice, some vegetable oil, some ginger and garlic paste, ground nutmeg, some curry powder, some paprika, some seasoning cubes, thyme, rosemary, and some salt. So let's get cooking. In a pot, cut the carrots into smaller pieces so that it can cook fast and it will be more easier to blend. Cut and add the peppers as well. Also cut the onions and add them. Add the chili peppers and the habanero peppers. Now add some water, just a little bit of water to help with the cooking process, and allow this to cook for 10 minutes. Now in another pot, add the meat you are using and season the meat with any seasoning of your choice. But here I am going to be adding some rosemary, some thyme, some seasoning cubes, and some salt. Now add some water to the level of the meat, cover the meat and allow it to cook until it is 100% cooked. Moving over to the pot, as you can see it has started boiling, and this is exactly after 10 minutes of cooking. This is what they look like, and the reason for cooking this is to soften it a little bit, because as we all know the carrot is very hard, so we need to cook it for at least 10 minutes before blending it. Now I'm going to blend some of the carrots, some of the peppers, and some of the onion as well. Add a little water to it so that it can help with the blending process. Just a little water, you don't need too much water in there. And I'm going to be blending them into 2 batches. This is the first batch and this is the second batch, just because they cannot fit into my blender at once. So after blending them, this is the consistency you should get, and as you can see it is not too watery. Now in a clean pot, add a reasonable amount of the vegetable oil, allow it to heat up a little bit, then add your sliced onion. Now add about 1.5 tablespoons of the garlic and ginger paste. If you don't like the taste of ginger and garlic, you can add a little bit, or you can skip that step. Now add some bay leaves. I forgot to show you the bay leaves when I was showing you the ingredients, but you will need some bay leaves. Now add some thyme. I added let's say about half a teaspoon of thyme. Allow it to fry up a little bit, and then add the blended carrots and the pepper mix. At this time your oil should be very hot so that it can fry faster. Now cover the pot and allow it to fry until all the water dries up and the oil starts to settle at the top of the sauce. That's when you know that it is well fried. But make sure you are stirring it occasionally so that it doesn't get burnt. Now after frying, add your meat and the stock from the meat. add a little bit more water if you think that the stew is too thick. Taste for salt and some seasoning. Now add some paprika, and I'm adding about half tablespoon of the paprika, half tablespoon of curry powder, about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add more seasoning cube if you think that the stew needs one. Now stir everything together. Add more water. Again, as you can see, I'm adding more water because to me the stew is still too thick for my liking. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook for 10 good minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking, this is what it should look like. And now I am going to just add a little bit more fresh vegetable to it, and I'm adding just green bell pepper, which I sliced into thin pieces. Now because the carrot has a lot of sweetness in it, the carrot I'm using is very sweet, I'm going to be adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice to it, and this will help to reduce the amount of sweetness in the carrot. But if you like how sweet the carrot is, you don't have to add the lemon juice. This is just optional. So that is it for this video. I'm going to enjoy it with my white rice. You can enjoy it with white boiled yam, potatoes, plantain, anything you wish to serve it with. It is absolutely delicious. My family loved it. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.